guys, so today is a different type of show. It's an olguita type of show. You know why it's an olguita type of show? Because it's I'm not gonna tell you. You guys gonna have to watch the video, the whole thing, and see what it is. Oh look, she's already getting prepared. And we got Kathy coming along with us for the ride. And today is an extended day, at least for me. We're attending a show here in Miami and then riding over to Tampa. So this video is gonna be two. There's the first one here in Miami and the second one up in Tampa. Part two. So we got as you can see, you kind of figure out where we're going, right? More or less. You see?
The models.
We got two models today. Yeah. So
we have one coming, Rosie.
Oh yeah, we got another one coming. And there's plenty of more to see where we're gonna go. So let's go with it.
And for the guys.
So let's go with the show. And I got you.
Get it rolling.
Well, at least so far so good. You could tell it's gonna have music in it because I just loaded up the computer and the mixer controller and maybe some muscles. So we jumped on a car, jumped on the highway, and we headed there.
All right, so we just made it to the convention center and it looks pretty full. There's a lot of people here, so I guess it's gonna be a good event. I guess you'll see and we'll see how it goes.
Fresco Channel's here, so of course it's gonna be a good
Oh yeah, because Fresco Channel's in the building. So you know, it's gonna be a good thing.
You're messing up.
I know, right?
Gonna blow up. Man, game time.
Let's go.
We're all hooked up and ready to go right on stage. This is the stage that the guys and women are gonna go ahead and pose their physique, and Sito and Two Nights are gonna perform their show. But that's gonna be later on. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and walk around with the girls and check out this fitness event is all about. And now you know why this is Olguita's type of show, because she loves fitness. Now that's really cool and talented. I could do maybe swing around one time, but not all of it. But that was really cool. What do you guys think? Well, this looks like something I could do. What do you guys think? This is my first time in an event like this, and I can see a lot of people enjoy fitness here in South Florida. And if you guys have visited South Florida, especially South Beach, they have the same setup on the beach with the bars, and you can always catch people working out and doing tricks on the weekends. So I knew that seeing so much people working out and equipment, I knew she couldn't hold herself and she was gonna go ahead and try something. But this is something new, and I was wondering how this is gonna turn out because Olguita has never been on a trampoline. So this is gonna be interesting to see. So I'm just waiting for her to fall down, or maybe one of the rubber bands hit her in the back or something, but we'll see what happens. Or maybe my thoughts are wrong and she's more athletic than I think she is. Well, I guess my thoughts were wrong, and she did it without a problem.
Tell me what you thought of it.
So let's keep walking around and see what else we could get into, or she could get into, because I'm just a spectator at this event. And I guess companies come here to show off their products, and then people come to show off their bodies, and others come to show off their skills and athletics, and the most important part, their strength. And how cool is this? We got to meet a star fitness model, and we took a picture together with the star of the Fresco Channel, Big Mama. And as you can see, the girls are enjoying this event. And I'm not gonna lie, me too, because there's a lot of things to see. And what about you guys? Are you guys enjoying it so far? Well, I guess your answer depends who you're watching the video with. This place is pretty entertaining. Lots of things to see, from fitness to products to workout skills. But now it's time to head over to the main stage for what? For the main event. And for the competitors, it's the fitness competition. But for us, it's the music to make people have some fun. So I'm gonna walk over to the set and get ready to start. But before, we're gonna go ahead and see the men's competition and tell me what you think. And this is something that I admire, because for them, this takes a lot of dieting, dedication, and especially working out. And that's something I cannot do because I'm too busy on the boat eating and having fun in the sun. And I guess this is the part that all the ladies enjoy. But you know what? It's time to enjoy the main show. Yep, the music Fresco Channel show with Sito Rocks 2 nights, and we got a special guest that stopped by, DJ Lab.
the rules real quick.
What's up?
I know that they said you need a wristband to come in this here. Halftime show's on us.
Hell yeah.
So you guys can work your way into the seats.
Yo, Sito.
Yes, sir.
So we came together. We got a good friend of ours. He goes by the name of Fresco Channel.
Fresco Channel.
You know what I'm saying? He got the #1 aquatic YouTube page. You know what I'm saying?
He does. Fresco, let's go. The song is called Sandbar Life.
For all my boaters,
What are the boaters? Miami lifestyle.
Salt Life.
Salt Life.
Turn it up, Fresco.
Fresco.
I see you. You got something for my beer?
Uh-oh.
Go, shake, 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 shake.
Hold up.
Let's go.
Sandbar Life. We're here to turn it up. That teeny bikini. I've been going to touch. I'm a girl in the ocean trying to get it up. I'm videotaping. Shake yo.
I said Fresco Channel, hotter than the sun, headed to the ocean, pour a little bit.
Hey, I'm feeling the energy. Look, they even broke the fence right there.
They even broke it. Nobi, why you do that?
So, with all the testosterone in the building,
Yeah.
we need some party animals right here in the front.
But you know what we're gonna do right now?
What we gonna do right now?
And once the show was over, we had to take a group picture of the home team here. Our show lasted about 45 minutes and they wasted a lot of energy and I was feeling hungry myself. So we decided to walk around and see what type of protein we could find or other goodies we could eat. But wait a minute, I was talking about food. And you can always leave it up to Olguita to find something good and sweet to eat, but don't have a dirty mind. You know what she found? Yes, healthy ice cream. And the girls were teasing us, so we had to order our own. But we got something special. We got Nutella. The healthy part of this ice cream is it's made without any dairy product. And I think it's only supposed to have 80 calories. But I was wondering, how does it taste?
Ya yo regresé para probar el de olguita. Mira, este me muero, mira.
Ella es actriz.
Yo nací artista, mi amor. Mira, pero no puedo.
So how does it taste? Good, bad, good?
This is heaven.
Heaven.
On earth.
Alright, so we had a problem. We only bought one ice cream and Olguita didn't want to give it up. But finally at the end I tasted it and it tasted really good. And then the problem was I didn't want to give it back to her. But she got lucky because I had to pick up my DJ equipment and I had my hands full.
I hope you guys had fun. I did.
And let me ask you guys a question. Did you guys enjoy the video? It was something different, but remember, this is something that Olguita loves, and it can't always be your way, boating and sandbar party. Sometimes you gotta please the wife. And definitely, we'll be back here next year to the Miami Fitness Expo.
Lo fuimos de aquí.
So you know what happens when we leave an event? We can leave and say, hey, we're leaving right now, but it takes us 20 minutes to walk out because everybody wants to say hi to Fresco. They want to say hi to Mary Luna, of course, Big Mama. I wonder why.
This is Big Mama.